All right, everyone. So Charlie here. I'm just doing a quick voiceover because when I was recording this kind of unboxing or whatever you want to call it, I didn't say anything. I wasn't speaking over it. So anyway, this is just me opening up a new Deco by TP-Link mesh Wi-Fi router system. It's a Wi-Fi 6E system. It's from Costco. Just came out recently. I think it's about $350 at Costco. And it's a Wi-Fi 6E system, which is kind of the key thing. And it's a mesh system, which is another key thing. We're upgrading from a Google Wi-Fi mesh system, which we really like. I've used it for probably 5 years or so. But that's, much older technology. So I've been having my eyes peeled for mesh Wi-Fi system that doesn't cost a tremendous amount of money. And I saw this one just recently come out. And it seemed to check all the boxes of what I was looking for. So basically how a mesh system works is you've got various pucks. And one of the pucks you plug your cable router into, your cable modem into, and also into the wall. And then the other pucks, and you can have, several of them actually, I think, you just plug in various places around your house. And if they overlap, the Wi-Fi signals overlap, it basically extends the area at which you can have your Wi-Fi signal spread. And so it doesn't show up as 2 or 3 or 4, however many pucks you have, different Wi-Fi networks. It shows up as 1, and it just intelligently switches between whatever the best signal is or whatever as you walk through your house or whatever. So Wi-Fi 6E is like the newest technology or whatever, I think. So I'm saying whatever an awful lot, aren't I? Anyway, we seem to really like it, or we like it a lot. Speeds, I think the speeds are at least as good as what we had with the other one, maybe faster. That might just be placebo effect. I've done some speed test things, and I'm not sure if it's a huge improvement, but it's probably some improvement at least, knock on wood. The other thing is range is noticeably improved, especially when you're out in the yard. I put them in the same spots that our other Wi-Fi mesh system was in, and now I get signal way out further than I otherwise would have. I can get it pretty much into the street, or almost to the street. That is. It might not be full bars, but it's still works. In the past, I've had like podcasts cut out, and I don't think it's so much, if at all, anymore like that. Anyway, just thought I'd post this quick video on this. We seem to like it. It seems to be good. And, in Costco, it's got such an amazing return policy. So if ever you just decide you don't like it anymore or whatever, they're usually pretty good about returning things. So we'll try it out and see what we think. But I'm pretty sure we're going to be pretty happy with this. So anyway, have a good one. Bye-bye.